Hello students, in the last class we studied 4 results in the product formula topic. The first result is sin c plus sin d, that is addition of two sine functions. The result is 2 sin c plus d by 2 into cos c minus d by 2, and the second one is sin c minus sin d, that is the difference of two sine functions, which is equal to 2 cos c plus d by 2 into sin c minus d by 2, and third result is addition of two cosine functions, that is cos c plus cos d, which is equal to 2 cos c plus d by 2 into cos c minus d by 2, and the fourth result is cos c minus cos d, which is equal to minus 2 sin c plus d by 2 into sin c minus d by 2. No proof for these results. You don't study the proof, you study the results only. That is, you memorize these 4 results. If you memorize these 4 results, you can solve any problems in this section. Okay. Next problem, prove that sin a minus sin 4a divided by cos 4a minus cos a is equal to cot 5a by 2. Prove that the left hand side is equal to right hand side. In the left hand side, in the numerator portion, there is sin a minus sin 4a. Sin a minus sin 4a is same as sin c minus sin d. Therefore, they apply the formula for sin c minus sin d there. And in the denominator portion, cos 4a minus cos a. This is of the form cos c minus cos d. Therefore, apply the formula for cos c minus cos d in the denominator. Therefore, left hand side is sin c minus sin d is same as 2 cos c plus d by 2 into sin c minus d by 2. 2 cos c plus d, a plus 4a by 2, sin c minus d by 2, a minus 4a by 2, divided by, this is cos c minus cos d, minus 2 sin c plus d by 2, 4a plus a by 2, sin 4a minus a by 2, 2 got cancelled, this is minus cos, this is cos by sin, cot, a plus 4a, 4a plus a, same, 5a by 2, into sin a minus 4a is minus 3a by 2, divided by sin 4a minus a, 3a by 2, is equal to minus cot 5a by 2 into sin minus theta is minus sin theta, minus sin 3a by 2, divided by sin 3a by 2. This got cancelled, minus minus plus is equal to cot 5a by 2. This is the right hand side. Next problem, prove that cos a minus cos b by sin a plus sin b is equal to tan b minus a by 2. Take the left hand side. This is equal to cos c minus cos d. Cos c minus cos d is minus 2 sin c plus d by 2 into sin c minus d by 2. Minus 2 sin c plus d, a plus b by 2, sin c minus d by 2, a minus b by 2, divided by sin a plus sin b is 2 sin c plus d by 2, sin c plus sin d, 2 sin c plus d by 2 into cos c minus d by 2, cos a minus b by 2, sin a plus b by 2, this is also sin a plus b by 2, this is 2, this is 2, got cancelled, this minus sin a minus b is same as b minus a, if you take a minus outside, Therefore minus b minus a by 2. We take a minus outside. Therefore a minus b become b minus a. Divided by cos a minus b same as minus b minus a by 2. Cos we take a minus outside, therefore a minus b become b minus a. This is sin minus theta. Sin minus theta is minus sin theta. Therefore minus sin b minus a by 2 divided by cos minus theta is same as cos theta. Cos b minus a by 2 minus minus plus sin by cos tan b minus a by 2. This is the right hand side. Next problem, sin a minus sin b divided by cos a minus cos b is equal to minus cot a plus b by 2. Take the left hand side. This is sin c, this is sin d. Sin c minus sin d is equal to 2 cos c plus d by 2. Here a plus d by 2 into sin a minus b by 2. Sin c minus d by 2 divided by, this is cos c minus cos d. Formula for cos c minus cos d is minus 2 sin c plus d by 2 sin c minus d by 2 minus 2 sin a plus d by 2 into sin a minus b by 2. Same quantity got cancelled. This 2 got cancelled. This is cos a plus b by 2. This is sin a plus b by 2. Therefore cos by sin is tan. Here minus. Cos by sin is cot. Cos by sin is cot. Minus cot a plus b by 2. This is the right hand side. Next problem, prove that sin a plus sin 3a plus sin 5a divided by cos a plus cos 3a plus cos 5a is equal to tan 3a. Take the left hand side. In the left hand side there are 3 sine terms in the numerator and 3 cosine terms in the denominator. We don't have any formula for adding 3 functions, 3 sine functions simultaneously. Therefore we group 2 sine functions, then apply product formula. Left hand side is equal to group sin a and sin 5 plus sin 3a divided by, in the denominator group cos 5a and cos a. Plus cos 3a. Here we apply product rule. 2 sin c plus d by 2. 5a plus a by 2. 5a plus a is 6a. 6a by 2 is 3a. 2 sin 3a into cos c plus d by 2. 5a minus a. 4a by 2 is 2a. Plus sin 3a. Divided by, here cos c plus cos d. Apply the product rule. Cos c plus cos d is 2 cos c plus d by 2. 2 cos c plus d is 5a plus a. 5a plus a is 6a. 6a by 2 is 3a into cos 5a minus a by 2. 5a minus a 4a by 2 is equal to 2a plus sin 3a. In the numerator, sin 3a is common. Here a sin 3a, here also a sin 3a. We take sin 3a outside. Sin 3a into this remaining quantity 2 cos 2a. Here we take sin 3 outside, therefore there is 1 here. Divided by, in the, this is cos 3a. In the denominator, cos 3a is common. Take cos 3a outside. Into, then the remaining quantity 2 into cos 2a. Plus, here we take cos 3 outside. Therefore, remaining quantity 1. These two same got cancelled. Sin 3a by cos 3a, tan 3a. Just the right hand side. This is an important problem. This is the addition of 4 sine functions in the left hand side. We don't have any formula for adding, simultaneously adding 4 sine functions. Therefore, we group the sine functions, that is group of 2. Add sine 7 theta and sine theta, and add sine 5 theta and sine theta. Take the left hand side. Take sine 7 theta and sine theta in one bracket, and sine 5 theta and sine theta in another bracket. We group it for adding, for applying the product rule. Here the first bracket is sine c plus sine d. Apply the product rule. This is 2 sine c plus d by 2. C 7 theta. D theta, 7 theta plus theta, 8 theta, 8 theta by 2 is 4 theta, 2 sine 4 theta into cos c minus d by 2, 7 theta minus theta by 2, 6 theta by 2 is 3 theta, cos 3 theta, plus here also apply product rule, 2 sine c plus d by 2, 5 theta plus 3 theta, 8 theta by 2, 4 theta, into cos c minus d by 2, 5 theta minus 3 theta, 2 theta, 2 theta by 2 is theta. Here 2 sin 4 theta common, take 2 sin 4 theta outside. Into remaining quantity cos 3 theta, plus here remaining quantity cos theta. Apply product formula here. Add cos 3 theta and cos theta. Apply product rule. 2 sin 4 theta into 2 cos c plus d by 2. C plus d is 3 theta plus theta by 2. 4 theta by 2, 2 theta. 2 cos 2 theta into cos c minus d by 2. Cos c minus d. 3 theta minus theta is 2 theta. 2 theta by 2 is theta. Then 2 into 2, 4 into cos theta into cos 2 theta into sin 4 theta. This is the right hand side. Another problem. This problem is also important. Prove that cos 3a plus cos 5a plus cos 9a plus cos 17a is equal to 4 cos 4a into cos 6a into cos 7a. Here there are 4 cosine terms in the left hand side. So you group these 4 terms as 2 groups. That is cos 17a and cos 3a in one group, and cos 9a and cos 5a another group. We group these 4 as 2 groups because we don't know the formula for adding 4 cosine functions. We know the formula for adding 2 cosine functions. Therefore, we group it as 2. We group it into 2. There are 2 groups. One is cos 17a plus cos 3a. Another group is cos 9a plus cos 5a. Then we know the formula for adding two cosine functions, cos c plus cos d. Formula is 2 cos c plus d by 2 into cos c minus d by 2. Cos c plus d by 2, 17a plus 3a, 20a by 2 is 10a into cos c minus d by 2, cos c minus d by 2, 17a minus 3a by 2. 17a minus 3a is 14a, 14a by 2 is 7a. Cos 7a plus cos c plus cos d, apply the formula 2 cos c plus d by 2. 9a plus 5a is 14a, 14a by 2 is 7a into cos c minus d by 2, 9a minus 5a, 9a minus 5a is 4a, 4a by 2 is 2a, 9a minus 5a is 4a, 4a by 2 is 2a. Here common quantity 2 cos 7a and 2 cos 7a, 2 cos 7a common. Take 2 cos 7a outside of the bracket. Remaining quantity is cos 10a plus cos 2a. Here we apply the product rule again. 2 cos 7a into 2 cos c plus d by 2. 2 cos c plus d. 10a plus 2a, 12a by 2, 6a. Into cos c minus d by 2. 10a minus 2a, 8a. 8a by 2, 4a. Here 2 into 2, 4. 4 cos 4a into cos 6a into cos 7a. This is the right hand side. This problem is also important. Prove that cos pi by 8 plus cos 3 pi by 8 plus cos 5 pi by 8 plus cos 7 pi by 8 is equal to 0. There are 4 cosine terms in the left hand side. We group it into two. That is, take cos 7 pi by 8 and cos pi by 8 in one group and cos 5 pi by 8 and cos 3 pi by 8 into the second group. Take cos 7 pi by 8 and cos pi by 8 in one group. Plus second group is cos 5 pi by 8 and cos 3 pi by 8. First group cos 7 pi by 8 and cos pi by 8 and the second group cos 5 pi by 8 and cos 3 pi by 8. Then product rule. Apply the product rule. Cos c plus cos d. 2 cos c plus d by 2. 2 cos c plus d by 2 into cos c minus d by 2 plus 2 cos c plus d by 2, 5 pi by 8 plus 3 pi by 8 into cos 2 cos c plus d by 2 cos c minus d by 2. Here 7 plus 1, 8. 8 pi by 8. 8 pi by 8 is pi. 2 cos pi by 2 into cos 7 pi minus pi is 6 pi. 6 pi by 8 by 2 plus 2 cos 5 plus 3, 8. 8 pi by 8 is pi. Pi by 2 into cos 5 pi minus 3 pi is 2 pi. 2 pi by 8 by 2. Here there is a cos 90 degree. Cos 90 degree is 0. This is the first portion is 0. Here also cos pi by 2. Second portion is also 0. The answer is 0. This is the end of the topic product rule. We solved around 10 problems. You study all these problems very well. You get 1 or 2 questions from this topic. This is an important topic.